So one of the biggest problems I see with many people who start doing SEO is they think they need all the tools. They need a keyword research tool, so they go to SEMrush and they sign up for one, or they go to Ahrefs, or they use keyword everywhere, or they just use any one of the tools that are recommended on review sites. The thing is that a lot of these keyword research tools are hit or miss, and they don't really work the way you would imagine. For instance, the keyword volumes that they're showing are estimates; they're not real. Sometimes, at least many times in my experience, if it shows that the keyword volume is 0, people are not targeting that keyword because the tool says it's 0. When in fact, in my experience, and based on the website that I have, targeting that keyword is getting around 100 to 200 visitors a day, and it's potentially a 3,000 to 4,000 visitor a month keyword. And not only that, the niche is very profitable. So if you're going to bank your entire SEO career on keyword research tools, I don't care what tool you're using, you're making a big mistake. And that is why I don't use keyword research tools. I have a subscription to a keyword research tool I use, but I do not use it specifically to determine the volume of keywords. I don't use it specifically to determine the difficulty of the keyword. That is something I do, a lot of this I do manually, and I've been doing this manually for the past 14 years since I've been doing SEO. And the reason for that is that my manual work turns out to be a lot more accurate than what a lot of these tools are showing. So in today's video, I'm going to just jump right in. I'm going to show you how to do keyword research without any tools. If you're starting out, this is a great place to learn how to find the right keywords. And this will be immensely helpful for you as you're moving on. And you don't need to spend 70 to 80 bucks on a keyword research tool. And any good SEO will tell you that you do not need a keyword research tool. Think of it as like an icing on your cake. So without further ado, let's start with an example. Let's say that you have a car wash, okay? So let's say you've got a car wash website, or you want to start a website dedicated to car wash. And let's see what Google recommends. So if I put in car wash, well, this is where we need to start. So it gives me a whole bunch of keywords. I'll just put car wash, I hit enter. I'll scroll right down, and this is something I also discussed in my previous video, so you can also take a look at that. That was a more brief look at doing keyword research. This is a more detailed look at it. So if you see here, this is clearly you should target car wash if you're a local business, but it says nothing about if you're to target products or products related to washing cars. So what we'll do is we'll put a C here, and we'll see what comes up. We'll see company, cartoon, Dubai Center near me. Okay, let's try an A. And we're trying to fish for potential keywords that have intent. Like for instance, if we can run an affiliate site or sell affiliate products, or something like that. So here we've got car shampoo, we've got car wash sponge, we've got car wash near me. So let's go ahead and start with car wash shampoo. The whole bunch of these over here. We're not gonna take a look at the difficulty or anything right now. What we want to pull up keywords. So car wash shampoo, best car wash shampoo price, car wash shampoo near me. We'll go ahead and just real quick just copy this. I've got an Excel workbook open. Go ahead and copy it over here, and there we go. So this is just a real quick and dirty way of doing it, and I'll tell you why we're putting this into an Excel sheet. We're gonna sort through these keywords. Right now we're just trying to bulk copy and paste as many keywords as we can. So we go here and we will, let's see, so we got best car wash shampoo, car wash machine. This looks promising. Car wash machine, let's see. Okay, so there are quite a few. There are quite a few machines here. A lot of them are being sold on, okay, here. It's been sold on Amazon. So this will make a great affiliate product. The value is there. There are not many review sites being listed here, so this is maybe an opportunity for someone who wants to start an affiliate site. They can do one for car wash machine, and just pull up all the machines. So car wash machine price, car wash high pressure car wash machine. You've got portable car wash machine price in Dubai. We'll go ahead and we'll just do the same that we did over here. Copy this, and we will paste it into our Excel sheet. And what I want to remove from the Excel sheet is I want to remove I want to remove car wash machine Noon, because Noon is a local, it's a local online store. All right, so we'll see if we can pull up other keywords related to car wash. So we go ahead, we click here, and we'll see car wash machine price in India, car wash pump. Okay, I think this is an alternative keyword to car wash machine. So high pressure water pump for car wash price. Okay, so guys, I'm doing this off the cuff. This has not been rehearsed. I just came up with this, and this is just to show you how I normally do things, and I do this off the cuff so that you can see my process and how I like to work. And if you're new to SEO, this is something that would be immensely helpful, because then you would not have to come up with your own process. You can just follow my process, and this will be immensely helpful. So I've got quite a few keywords here. We've got 21 keywords. We'll go ahead and now take this into the second phase, and we'll cut to the Google AdWords, and I'll show you the interface in a second. So we're in ads.google.com. If you have a Gmail account, you can log in with your Gmail. You do not need to run ads. Just log into your account, and over here, if you go to the tools, this little wrench over here, click tools and go to keyword planner. Click here, and now you've got get search volumes and forecasts. I'll go ahead and click here, and you upload the Excel file that we created. It's like file from computer right here, and hit get started. Now what Google does here is Google will take a look at all the keywords that you've got, and Google will also give you estimates, because Google does not want people to know exactly what the search volume is. And the competition that you see here is a competition not in terms of search results, but in terms of ads. So the ads competition, but this will give you an idea of what kind of SERP competition they are. Now, before you give me crap on the comments, yes, I know that there's a difference, and sometimes the SERPs are more competitive than the ads, and at times the ads are more competitive than the SERPs. But again, a keyword research tool is not going to give you precise information, and it's really based on their algorithm. And if Google is not giving you this information, there's no other place that you're going to get this information from. And this is Google's own tool that we're using. So as you can see, 3M car wash shampoo over here. Let me just expand this real quick. Monthly average volume is 10 to 100 searches. Automatic car wash machine is 10 to 100 searches. Competition is low, so we can expect easy rankings. And we can scroll right down, and all of this it gives you car wash near me is 1 to 10K, and I think this is pulling. If I go ahead and change this, so this is pulling out a lot of information from. Ignore the currency, because this is a test account, and I was using someone was playing around with my account, someone I hired to do AdWords, and they have just put everything in Pak rupees. But the important thing is to take a look at the search volume, and you see this the competition for 3M car wash shampoo just jumped from low to high because we changed the region. Automatic car wash machine just jumped from low to high, and now we can see what's important to us is we need to pull something up with low competition. So we'll go and we'll do car wash pump price in the UAE. Low competition because again this is pulling up results from the US. Car wash near me. This is 1 million searches. Competition is low, so this is a very good opportunity for someone who wants to jump into this, do a lead gen or something. This is a 1 million average monthly searches. 3-month charge 0, year-on-year change is 0. So pretty much this is an all-season keyword competition, and this is low. So very good opportunity. We'll need to take a look at the SERPs though. So what we'll do here is, just to cut the video short, is we'll go ahead and we will export. We'll export this data. We'll go ahead and export. So if you took a look at this CSV file we downloaded, I removed all of the other columns that are not of interest to us. You'll see that this, the keyword search volume has really nothing to do with the estimated clicks, and these are estimated clicks for AdWords. But if you take this into consideration, that the AdWords are part of the SERPs, you can figure out how many clicks exactly can you expect to get, because there's no point of knowing the keyword search volume if you're not going to get clicks. So this helps you get a very good idea, not a precise idea, but a very good idea of the number of visitors you can get to your website if you're ranking number 1. And there's a formula that helps you figure out that if you're ranking number 1, if you're getting 20 clicks, how many clicks can you estimate if you are ranking number 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. And this gives you a very good starting point. So all of this right here is a very good starting point. So if, for instance, if you're ranking number 1 for portable car wash machine, you can expect to get around 3 clicks. High pressure water pump for car wash price, 0 clicks for some reason. So I think this is maybe an error with Google, and Google not reporting this correctly. Car wash machine, you can expect to get 138 clicks. So if you were to do a review on car wash machine and review the top best car wash machines, I think this will help you not only get 138 clicks or 130 clicks maybe for car wash machine, but you rank for a lot of the other keywords that are related to car wash machine. And so this will give you a very good starting point. And in my opinion, it's a better place to start than using a keyword research tool. Moving forward, what you'll do is you can punch in individual keywords that you have here, and you can punch this into Google Trends, and that will give you more seasonal information for each keyword. Now the next question you probably have is like, how hard is each keyword, and how to figure out the keyword difficulty. Well, it's easy. Then this is something I covered in my previous video. So let's say if you want to do target automatic car wash machine, you'll go ahead and copy this keyword over here. We're trying to figure out so what we're doing here is we are trying to figure out who's ranking for automatic car wash machine, how old the domain is, how strong the domain is, and if there is a possibility for us to outrank them. If all the websites ranking have a very high PA, DA, lots of backlinks, it's harder to outrank as compared to if you see websites that are relatively new and they're ranking well with fewer with fewer backlinks. Then all you need to do is to build a good website, strong website, good SEO, and good content, and you can then just pull in a few good links, and you will start ranking. So Google is a little slow today. Just give it a second. Okay, so the results are finally loaded, and we can see. Okay, so let me just start from the very beginning. I'm in the UAE, so obviously this is going to show me local results. The products on the right here, these advertisements. If you're doing a review website, you can start with taking a look at these products and start reviewing them, because obviously they're being advertised because They are one of the manufacturers, the sellers, the online stores are interested in selling them, and you can come up with an affiliate deal with them, review these products, and put them on their website and get a commission for every sale. So we just go right down and we'll take a look at. So the first one ranking here for automatic car wash machine is Alibaba. And they have a very, you can see here is a 92 DA and a 55 136 link PA. So probably not something we can outrank soon. The next one is just got two links over here, and it's madeinchina.com. This is a 91 DA. So not easy to outrank here. The next one is India Mart. Again, 74 DA, PA 90, PA is 49. The next one, next in line is a DA 23 and a PA 29. Now this one is comparatively easy to outrank, and I think we can do this with a local website. If I were to do this in the UAE, I would buy a .ae domain and EMD, and start putting reviews and pictures of automatic car wash machines. And I think it's possible. It's well within the possibility of outranking these websites. Scroll down a little bit more, and there's a DA13 and a DA19 ranking. Sorry, a DA13 and a PA19 ranking very well. So I think this is well within the possibility of ranking, and all of these are all websites with commercial intent. So there are no reviews, there are no customer reviews, there's nothing like that. So if someone were to come up with a review website and just target these machines with reviews, use good SEO, it's possible to at least be on page, be on position 2 or 3. Sure, you'll be competing against ads, but people who are in the market for an automatic car wash machine are usually business owners, and I think those reviews will be helpful. This is how I can put this. So for car wash machine, I would say the difficulty is medium. And so I would just go ahead into my Excel sheet, and I would say automatic car wash machine somewhere over here. Okay, automatic. I'll just put here medium, and I'll go ahead and do this for all the keywords, and then I'll sort the keywords in terms of the difficulty, and I'll start targeting them. And this is how I do keyword research without using tools. I might make a video about how to use the tools correctly, but I think anyone who's starting to do SEO should not rely on tools, and they should do this manually so that they get it right and they do not fall into the trap of expensive SEO tools that really do not give you much value beyond a guesstimate of the search volume and the difficulty. So guys, I hope you liked the video, and I hope this was helpful. Hopefully, this will be saving you $70 on average a month on a keyword research tool. Yes, it takes a little bit of time, but the results that you're seeing and the results that you're getting are they're really accurate, and you're not relying on an AI algorithm telling you that a keyword is hard and you're not targeting a potentially money-making keyword. So if you see value in the videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.